Hello guys, today's is a short video on replacing Lenovo Z50-70 laptop keyboard. This technique works with most of the old Lenovo laptops. First step is to remove the back cover. For that we have to remove all 3 screws and slide the back cover. After opening, identify the keyboard screws. The screws that hold the keyboard will be identified with a keyboard symbol. Remove all 3 screws. After that, remove the battery and flip the laptop. Then open the laptop and remove the keyboard. Always begin from the top portion. While removing, take care not to damage the edges. After removing this keyboard, you have to disconnect this connector. For that, you have to carefully lift this and take this keyboard connector out. Afterwards, let's connect this new keyboard to the connector. Always try not to damage the terminals. After clearly opening, let's insert this like this and slowly slide like this. Afterwards, close this tab and align the bottom first. After aligning the bottom, slowly press the edges. Be careful not to press on the keys because it will damage your keyboard. After that, let's close this up. After closing, let's switch on the PC and check whether all keys are working. If the video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.